What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress Themes, and in today's video we're gonna be unboxing the Adidas Original shoes Superstar in a white color with some fancy golden details. It's a white and black color shoes, a leather shoes that comes with this normal Adidas blue box. It's a very comfortable shoes with some fancy details that remains to the classic style of the shoes. It's really comfortable and seems to be easy to clean up. And fits really nice on the feet. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I see you later. All the best!